We believe Home Depot is really going to benefit from the easing monetary policy that we should see going into the end of the year. We do believe that's going to spur some spending within the consumer discretionary sector. And we think Home Depot is going to be one of the ones to really benefit from that. So we're going to be looking for Home Depot to, whether it sets a new low down here and comes after this liquidity pocket right here because it's there. This clip is a supplement to Clarity, our weekly educational service. Each week we break down the hottest trades with a top-down view of the sector and related peers. Then we do a deep dive into our spotlight, our featured analysis using the institutional business cycle. As our guide, every issue includes bullish and bearish scenario, as well as trade considerations for all of the charts that we covered. It's not investment advice, but it's how we would handle trades if we were in them. If you like our videos, you're going to love Clarity. There's a QR code up in a second that'll get you 10% off. We're not ruling out a move down right here, which would really provide a nice entry. Whether it does that or whether or not it proceeds out of this range right here, we think Home Depot going into next year is going to have a really good year.